Ever wonder what to plant each month in your garden and when? In this video, I'll walk you through a month-by-month gardening to-do list, tailored to your USDA zone so you can grow smarter, not harder. The USDA Plant Hardiness Zone map helps gardeners know what grows best in their region. From Zone 3's freezing winters to Zone 10's tropical warmth, your planting calendar changes with your zone. Zones 3 to 5. Plan your garden. Order seeds. Start slow growers indoors like onions and leeks. Zones 6 to 10. Start cool season crops indoors. Lettuce, broccoli, kale. Zone 10. Direct sow carrots, radishes, peas. Zones 3 to 5. Continue. Seeds starting indoors. Tomatoes, peppers. Zones 6 to 7. Begin hardening off hardy transplants. Zones 8 to 10. Direct sow leafy greens and root crops. Zones 3 to 4. Prune fruit trees. Start more seedlings indoors. Zones 5 to 7. Plant potatoes, onions, peas. Zones 8 to 10. Sow summer crops, corn, cucumbers, melons. Zones 3 to 5. Begin transplanting cold hardy plants outside. Zones 6 to 8. Direct sow, warm season crops. Zones 9 to 10. Plant tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, full summer garden mode. Zones 3 to 4. Last frost. Plant everything now. Beans, squash, herbs. Zones 5 to 8. Sow successions of fast crops. Zones 9 to 10. Switch to heat-tolerant varieties. All zones, mulch, water deeply. Start new rounds of greens and bush beans. Harvest spring crops and replant quickly. Zones 3 to 5. Plant fall crops. Cabbage, broccoli. Zones 6 to 10. Keep up with watering and pest patrol. So heat lovers like okra or sweet potatoes. Zones 3 to 5. Start seeds for fall. Carrots, kale, beets. Zones 6 to 10. Direct sow greens for fall harvest. Shade new seedlings from intense sun. Zones 3 to 4. Harvest main crops. Cover beds for winter. Zones 5 to 7. Keep sowing leafy greens. Zones 8 to 10. Start fall garden. Broccoli, cauliflower, spinach. Zones 3 to 5. Clean up, compost, and mulch. Zones 6 to 10. Plant garlic and cover crops. In Zone 9 to 10. Sow lettuce, carrots, radishes. Zones 3 to 5. Put tools away. Protect perennials. Zones 6 to 10. Still time for leafy greens, especially under row covers. All zones reflect. Plan. Browse seed catalogs. Zone 10. Still growing greens, herbs, and tomatoes. Plant flowers like marigolds and nasturtiums to attract pollinators. Use a journal or garden planner to track what worked and what didn't. Water deeply, mulch often, and rotate crops for better soil. Gardening isn't one size fits all. It's month by month and zone dash by dash zone. Which zone are you in, and what's your favorite thing to grow? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a fellow gardener. See you next season.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.